Good day, teachers. It's time for Tech Know-How.
Today I'm going to show you how to create a contact label, and that will allow you to email a large number of people at once with one name. You could use this for a team of teachers, a group of parents, or perhaps a committee. Start by going to Contacts. Contacts lives in the waffle, and the icon looks like this right here. Once you are in Contacts, over on the left-hand side, underneath the word Labels, you will see Create a Label. Go ahead and click that, and you're going to want to give your label a name. Click Save. Now you're ready to add some members. So scroll through your contacts, which are at the top here, and put a checkbox in people that you want to be in the group. Once you have selected names, go to this symbol right here, which is the Manage Labels icon. Click it, find the name that you just created, and then click the word Apply. And now you've added those 4 people into that label. If you need to search for someone, and I'm going to demo this with myself, you can search for a name. And once you find that name, you go to the 3 dots over here to get that person into the label. And so here's my label at the top. Click it, and that automatically puts that person in the label. And we should see that message pop up on the screen. And there you see I was successfully added to that label. Have a day filled with love and learning. And if you need anything at all, see your ITR team.